sitting around 88 cents for XRP, and I'm pretty sure this is due to Elon Musk tweeting about Bitcoin, and we're seeing a little bit of money flow back into the market here on fiat links, especially with XRP. As you can tell, Bitcoin is recovering 40,000. This is a strong sign for altcoins to continue to pump. Um, my whole thing is I just do not understand why this market manipulation is okay by someone who's famous and he can just, pump and dump the market how he wants. And unfortunately, it's all tied to Bitcoin right now, so everyone takes a hit because of it. Moving on to something to back that up. Where is it? Here we go. Okay. Gary Gensler. SEC plans to go after market manipulation, social media executive inside trading, Gensler says. So, this is the new chairman of the SEC, and this is definitely something to look out for because he will be coming after all cryptocurrencies that he thinks are securities. Again, he thinks 99% of cryptos are securities, and he'll probably come after exchanges too, and any market manipulators as well. So get your crypto off the exchanges if you can. LEPAL, LEPAL Titan is a great one, and the Ledger Nano X. I actually have to still pick one up myself, but nonetheless, get your crypto off the exchanges if you hold a lot of it. Okay, here's David Schwartz. Not even bankers want a system controlled by bankers. How would you like to build your business around a system run by your largest and most powerful competitors? All but the very largest banks will prefer a system that nobody can control to that. Sounds like the XRPL, using its native digital asset XRP, could be used for that. Moving on. Okay, this article, I like this. XRP community is optimistic about its price reaching three-figure mark. I don't think this is going to happen this year. I'd be completely blown out of my socks if it did. I really doubt it, but I think one day it will. This year I am more optimistic for 10, 20, maybe even $100 if we're lucky. More in the range of 10 or 20. But here we go. Furthermore, the analyst said the last time the price XRP surge high was in the year 2018, and it occurred right after the cryptocurrency faced a price drop. The analyst is a similar kind of move by XRP again. Coming to the present, we did have a massive drop, and now we're trading sideways. We can expect 3 hard-hitting moves now. So those next 3 hard-hitting moves he thinks are going to happen are the first one, as expected by the analysts, will take place when the XRP will enter the $90 to $2.60 range. While talking about the next 2 big moves for XRP, the crypto analyst stated, "We'll go one more time for a major move. We will see us going into tens, $10 to $11, and even maybe touch 15 for a little bit. We're going to go sideways, and one final push will get the crypto's price to $123. Now, if that happens, my God. What are you guys doing at that point? What are you doing at that point? I think I even had a poll for what someone would do at that point. Here we go. What would you do if XRP hit $100 this cycle? Hold? 50%. Only out of 6 people responded. But hold, cash out for other crypto, put gains in the S&P 500, or retire. So half and half for hold and retire, which means a lot of people hold a shit ton of XRP. Some people hold a decent portion, so they probably want to see it go way higher, so then they can eventually do this, retire. Now, what would you do if you could retire? Would you do something like this? No Lambos, just a cabin? I'm not sure yet, but this is all of us waiting for XRP to moon, not following the herd, just with our moon suits on. Okay, James K. Filan, Fed explores once-in-a-century bid to make the US dollar. Huge news there. Once in a century bid. Not very normal for that to happen. Here we go. You got to watch this video.
Between the ability to use them for that and the price that they have to have. Because like a few months ago, I spoke with Miguel Villas, the head of XRP markets at Ripple. XRP is Ripple's cryptocurrency that we've been talking about. And he said, before he could even really have that conversation with banks to encourage them to use this as an on-demand liquidity tool, the market cap needed to be much higher, the transaction volume needed to be much higher, and there needed to be more exchange partners. So if it's just being used kind of for transmission like that, what does that imply about the price versus some of the kind of the retail use case or speculative use cases that
price is going to go up? No, look,
and how far
the honest answer.
You hear that? Price is going to go up. Continue listening.
Like I don't know Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, I don't know what the driver of value is there. I think, in fact, when you look at Bitcoin, the initial adoption of Bitcoin is all about retail, and that didn't pan out. And suddenly you have millions of people who hold it. They're just going to hold it. So what's become the use case for Bitcoin is just a store of value. And I think that will persist, and somehow they landed on that, and that's maybe going to persist into the future. But XRP, it's really about this very fundamental driver of demand. Yeah, I mean, if XRP is going to be inserted deeply into the financial system, the market cap has to be orders of magnitude bigger. It has to be able to support institutional flows in the orders of magnitude of trillions of dollars. Today it's a lot smaller. I think it's right around $30 billion. But when you look at
the market cap, I thought, or are you talking about the transaction volume?
The market cap of so there's 100 billion XRP, and the market cap it's trading around 30 cents, so it's about $30 billion.
So he was talking about this when XRP was at 30 cents. It is not there anymore, but continue listening.
So yeah, I mean, I think that the current users and sort of the crawl, walk, run of growing the capital market, if you will, around XRP is going to be about fundamental demand, and that comes from companies like Veeam. And as more companies like Veeam start to use XRP and use digital currencies in their funding flows, they're going to be putting a massive amount of pressure on banks and larger financial institutions to start using this as well, or they're going to be toast. They're not going to be able to compete and be as nimble as a company like Veeam. It doesn't have to operate with any treasury overhead and all the cost complications.
Okay, so I think that speaks for itself. That speaks magnitudes in my mind. And I really hope you listen to that all the way through, because he said the price is going to go up, the market cap's going to fly through the roof, trillions of dollars being sent through the ledger, and if banks don't get with it, then they get left behind. But that's not going to happen. They're going to come along for the ride. Banks aren't going anywhere. Johnny Deaton, Staten Island, my man. How many times has the digital asset space been compared to the early days of the internet? Why is it so difficult to accept that there will be more than one winner in this space? All coins that are not Bitcoins are not shitcoins or a scam. I agree with that. Too many people are too tunnel vision in this space and just believe in one thing, and it's not really fair to anyone else, and they're really just insecure that something will pass Bitcoin. Okay, another huge news. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has signed into law a game-changing cryptocurrency bill, according to his tweet. Okay, that's huge news. You can click on this article if you want. Follow me on Twitter, XRP Phoenix. I post a lot of stuff that people retweet. Lots of news on here is where I find a lot of it. A lot of articles that I find. Okay, Crypto Bull 2020. He posts, I retweeted. Imagine XRP soon to be determined not a security, while Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Tether will be declared a security. I guess Jeremy Hogan, huge member representing XRP community, giving us news about what's going on. He's a lawyer. I guess he made a video about what is the likelihood of other coins to become securities after this case, and Binance, Tether, and Ethereum 2.0, I believe, yeah, right here, 2.0, might become securities because they're not declared not securities on paper. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Here's another thing. 20 minutes ago, Gold Telegraph posted, shout out to you. Breaking news, the Central Bank of Nigeria is looking to launch its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, by the end of the year. You know what I say to that? Oof, size. Booyaka. So that's with that. Okay, top 5 Bitcoin prices predictions for 2021 and beyond. Anthony Pompliano says 100,000, I believe. Obviously, I'm telling you this because this would, Bitcoin controls the market, so that would mean a lot higher prices for XRP. I could see $10 to $15 if that happened, or 20, maybe 25, 30 even, if, it hits Pompliano's prediction, Bitcoin. 10 to 20, $30 for XRP if that happens. Now, if this happens, 300 to $500,000, shit, I'm calling for $100 XRP, no doubt. Not a single doubt if that happens. Um, Same with this, you know. If you see $200,000 to $500,000 range for Bitcoin, if that really actually happens this market cycle, which I really don't think it will, I'm looking at $100 XRP, no doubt. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. Um, I'm more on par with blockchain backer. He thinks around probably 70, 80K. So that's that. Follow me on Twitter, XRP Phoenix, and I post a lot of stuff. Got the link for the YouTube, and yeah, I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you.